A magnitude 5.3 earthquake struck off the coast of Southern California today, the strongest one to hit the area in several years. The United States Geological Survey puts the earthquake epicenter 17 miles southwest of Santa Cruz Island off Southern California. The earthquake struck today, on the 5th of April at 12:29 p.m. local time at a depth of 10 kilometers. Even though the earthquake struck off the coast of California, shaking was felt as far away as Bakersfield, Palmdale and the city of Orange, over 100 miles away. The quake's epicenter was 85 miles west of Los Angeles and 41 miles southwest of Ventura. Thankfully, the shaking subsided just as quickly as it came, lasting roughly 10 seconds. Southern California is accustomed to earthquakes, with smaller earthquakes occurring fairly regularly. The Santorinas Fault, which runs along the northern end of the city, is the largest concern for a major earthquake. This fault could produce a powerful earthquake if enough strain is built up over time, causing widespread damage in the Santa Barbara area.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.